Okay, so Professional Pets here, and this is Rowan's out here, and he's hanging with Rocky, and he just got out. So this is going to be the first time I'm going to introduce them to each other out together. They're both out. They're both out. Yes, they're both out. They had some crashes and problems, but now they are out together fine. Rocky's here. I don't know if I showed him yet. So he's here. Little stressed out, but okay. I wish he would like turn around so that I could really see him, but he's fun. I guess he wanted to get away from Rowan for a minute. And so, yeah. This is Rowan. They're both really stressed out on top of Rocky's cage. As you can see, this is Rocky's cage. This is Rowan here. I mean Rocky, and he's just sitting here. Thank God he turned around. I really wanted to show you guys him. And to my surprise, Rocky's been trying to actually be mean to Rowan more than Rowan's being nice. So it's like, Rowan. Say it. Who knows? These birds. So that's really it. Again, this is part 2 of letting Rocky and Rowan out together. Yeah, they seem to be okay. So took some pictures. Might upload them, might not. Rowan, I guess, is missing Rocky, trying to find a way to get to him. But Rocky's a little upset at Rowan, I guess, and I guess Rocky's just a little upset at the whole situation. Rocky, say hi. Say bye. Rocky, what are you even doing? Say bye. Okay, now he went up. Yeah, so that's them together. Hope to get some pictures in there. He went back, so yeah. I guess Rowan's by himself now. So yeah, that's really it. I will see you guys soon, and I'll be making more videos shortly. Okay. Bye. Professional pets. Always be professional. Okay, so as I just showed, Rocky and Rowan just got out and together for the first time. And yeah, so we'll be doing this more often now that they're not fighting. Millet, Rocky's a little upset. Rowan could never be upset not to take Millet. You want some, Rocky? Here, let me, hold on. Just get a small little thing here. Okay, so they're both really calm down, so I'm very surprised.